me for some elegant late summer living today on the Daily Connoisseur. Hello dear friends, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the channel. It's August in Southern California, and I'm enjoying some late summer living. Fall doesn't technically come until the autumn equinox in September, but August has always felt like the end of summer to me. In today's video, I'm cooking a delicate fish dish with herbs from the garden, doing some leisurely laundry, exercising outside in the garden, and reading a new book. Let's begin with some cooking. I have an abundance of fresh oregano in our garden. It's one of the herbs that really took off this year. I wanted to make a sauce with some of the fresh oregano and chives, so I ventured into the garden to pick the herbs before cooking. It was so exciting to see my garden after being in England for over a month. Before I left, the herbs were baby plants, and there wasn't too much to choose from. But 1 month in the hot California sun and our garden is producing herbs, tomatoes, and onions in abundance. We have a few other exciting vegetables popping up too. Today I'm going to cut from these 2 large oregano plants as well as the chives. I'm going to make a lemony oregano cream sauce for my fish today. I'm back in the kitchen and putting on my apron. This was made by my friend Andrea from Baker Lita Bakery. Isn't it pretty? I begin by preparing the cod. I place it on a baking dish and drizzle it with extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. I bake that in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the sauce. I take our garden herbs and after washing them, I chop them coarsely. Then in my Le Creuset saucepan over medium heat, I melt some butter and add chopped garlic. I allow that to cook for a few minutes until the garlic is softened. Then I add chicken broth, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. Next, I add the zest from 1 lemon, the chopped herbs, salt, and pepper. I also add the juice from the lemon that I zested. I lower the heat to medium-low, and as the sauce cooks, I decide to sauté some spinach. The cod is ready, and it's time to plate our lunch. I like to use a ramekin dish to mold the rice when serving because it looks more presentable on the plate. And here's a tip. I fill the ramekin halfway with rice, and then I add a pat of butter, and then fill the rest up with rice. Then I turn it upside down and release the rice on the plate. The butter melts inside and it makes the rice so good. I place the spinach next and add the cod, pouring a generous amount of the sauce on top. This dish is delicious, and you could use this sauce on many different things. The fresh herbs give it a vibrancy that counteracts the delicate creaminess so beautifully. I'm enjoying my lunch with one of those half-day probiotic teas and a banana. Being Panamanian, I often eat bananas or even better, fried plantains with my food. I hope that you enjoy this delicious recipe, which I'll leave down below. It's time to do some laundry, and while I'm doing it, I'm going to share today's sponsor with you, which is Blueland. Blueland is launching a first-of-its-kind fragrance laundry detergent tablet in the scent Spring Bloom. They are the perfect alternative to laundry detergent pods, which are usually wrapped in plastic. After 2 years of extensive research and development, Blueland has successfully created a fragranced tablet that not only maintains the company's commitment to powerful plastic-free efficacy, but also delivers a delightful scent that customers have been requesting for years. The Spring Bloom fragrance is a delightful blend. It has fragrance notes of sun-ripened citrus, fresh wildflowers, and golden amber. Not only that, but their laundry tablets are proven to lift the toughest stains, from grass stains to food stains. Blueland uses no single-use plastic in any component, from bottles, tablets, and wrappers to shipping. Their tablet packaging is fully compostable. The laundry starter kit comes with 1 Forever tin and 60 refill tablets. Here's how it works. Drop 1 laundry tablet directly into your washing machine drum before adding laundry. Then wash on your preferred cycle. All you have to do is click my link below or scan the QR code to get 15% off your first kit. Blueland is sharing this special offer just for my viewers. I listen to audiobooks throughout the day, but I also try to set aside some time to sit down and read a physical book. This act of leisure is of great importance to me. When I listen to audiobooks, I'm always doing something else, something productive, usually laundry or cleaning something or even computer work. But there is something so luxurious about sitting down to simply read and only focus on the book. This book, The Edwardian Lady, is a biography of Edith Holden. It was too big for me to pack for England, so I'm looking forward to starting it now that I'm back home. While I'm reading, I thought I'd share a few quotes on leisure with you. In our leisure, we reveal the kind of people we are. Ovid. They talk of the dignity of work. The dignity is in leisure. Herman Melville. The end of labor is to gain leisure. Aristotle. Leisure is the mother of philosophy. Thomas Hobbes. I continue this contemplation of the merits of leisure as I exercise. Yes, I'm still lifting weights and working on building more muscle. I love working out outside, whether it's jumping on the rebounder or doing a workout with weights or going on a hike or a walk in my neighborhood. There's something revitalizing about moving your body in nature. I don't suppose exercise would fall under the category of leisure, but for me, since I've traditionally loathed exercising, it helps to think of it that way. I try to make it as fun as possible, and that's how I incorporate it into my life. I would love to know if you do the same, or what your exercise routine is this time of year. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you to Blueland for sponsoring. Click my link below or scan the QR code to get 15% off your first kit. Blueland is sharing this special offer just for my viewers. Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.